If you're not prepared for real life yet, whether it means going back to school, back to the office, or back spending time with friends, you are not alone. Good thing our trusty voice AI is here to help us be human again. This can ease the transition with ways to stay organized, get connected, and have fun throughout the day. Let's start by making plans. Alexa, call Erica.
Calling Erica.
Hey, how you doing?
I'm good.
You good?
Yeah.
Good. Yeah, me
Good.
too. I'm
Good.
good. It's
7
good.
still work for you?
Yeah, I just
Cool.
I
See you
can
then.
just move some stuff around, but for sure. Oh, okay. All right. Alexa, announce that I have plans.
Announcing.
I have plans. You can do any of this with an Echo or from the Alexa app. Alexa, remind me to wear real clothes tonight at 7 p.m.
Okay, I'll remind you at 7 p.m.
Alexa, add real clothes to my shopping list.
Real clothes added to your shopping list.
Alexa, set a nap timer for 30 minutes.
Nap timer, 30 minutes. Starting now.
Alexa, stop. Okay, now I just need a little kick in the onesie. Alexa, play my going out playlist everywhere. I don't even know what that is. Okay, world, we're back in business. Let's do this. Alexa, where did I park my car?